Are you a front-end developer struggling with ARIA? Is the ARIA spec too technical and confusing? Are most online resources on ARIA outdated and lacking in practical examples? Meet Stephanie, your new ARIA teacher. In Stephanie's Introduction to ARIA for Beginners course, you will learn the basics of ARIA with easy-to-understand code and real-life examples. Stephanie will start with the very basics, such as what ARIA is, when to use it, and common mistakes beginners make. Further in the course, she will explain how to use ARIA landmarks to structure your website. Following that, she will demonstrate how screen readers interact with ARIA. Finally, Stephanie will teach you the basics of ARIA states, roles, and properties in an easy-to-understand way. In addition, this course contains helpful quizzes along the way in order to test your knowledge. At the end of the course, Stephanie will show you how to build real-life widgets with the knowledge you learned. Enroll today and get a 30-day money-back guarantee.